Like, all right, Mr. Dinosaur.
He fucked up like in the movie and go into the fucking future.
Dinosaur, you're getting fucked up too.
Then Obama grabs his ass. Come here.
He goes into the future. 25 years into the future and realizes he fucked everything up. The world just completely fucking ends. Like at brimstone and fire ends.
It's like, oh, pissed off guy. I'm sorry.
Like, oh, I'm gonna have to go back and take up those semen samples that I left everywhere.
All right, back to the Camaro. Wow. All right, fuck this. No, get your sausage away from my face. No,
Attack of this lying sausage.
No, man.
No, that's nasty.
Back here. Come back here with that wiener.
You can have that one.
No, get that away. You're gonna break it.
You're gonna break that.
There's a
I'm
possibility.
gonna break your face.
Alright, so we need to start working on this time between now.
So by the time you're like 85
Yeah.
years old, you can actually go back.
Let me just get my flux capacitor. I'll fix everything.
I got one at the house.
I have two inside.
No, I didn't grab the fucking DeLorean from down the road.
We don't need DeLorean.
Oh God.
DeLorean.
We're gonna put it on my truck because it probably tops out at 88.
We would make Grand Theft Auto illegal.
You couldn't use your truck. The body of the DeLorean, the reason they used the DeLorean because of the stainless steel body. It
I think it's all scientifical.
Your truck would fall apart by the time they made it back in time.
Bitch, I'm Logan. I can do this.
No, it was actually the stainless steel dissipated heat.
It made it
Stainless steel doesn't dissipate heat.
But it
What
could
would you
take-
rename
no,
Chevy?
It could take,
You didn't notice that every time they came back, the fucking car was frozen?
yeah, it could, stainless steel could hold up to those heats better. That would just freeze and crackle. It would
Exactly.
just
It would
fall apart. It really would.
We're really arguing about going back in time.
Yeah.
You know what, bitch? I'll just teleport right now. Fuck y'all. Yeah, I was in China just now. It was nice.
Scotty, give me a...
Aaron.
What?
Facebook.
Facebook.
Your Facebook.
Artis asked me the other day if you were in somewhere.
He did. I got somebody.
He's like,
It's Alaska.
is Aaron in Alaska?
His mom asked me if I was in Washington, D.C. Because my status said the White House is quite amazing. In Washington, D.C. at the White House.
I was in Washington, Louisiana a few days ago.
That's
I
cool.
was in Jackson, Louisiana a couple of days ago.
Washington, Louisiana's right around Opelousas.
I was in Irwinville the other day.
You fucking lived there. What are you talking about?
Hey, I'm just saying, y'all name me where y'all were. And then I made the adventure to Port Allen.
You know what? No.
The adventure to Port Allen?
You drive
I've
this thing
been
to
on
Port Allen, it's an
977
adventure.
highway. Highway 977. That's where I was. If you want to get all
look
technical.
Look at me. I'm in Livonia. I'm in Merrington.
Livonia, Merrington, Livonia, Merrington.
Livonia. Merrington. Oh, I get taken out by a truck. That would have been funny.
You gotta say all.